Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I am working on a Bosch dishwasher. The customer's complaint was that this dishwasher was leaking water. We were here a couple weeks ago, replaced the water valve, which is located at the back of the unit. It's the tiniest small one. The dishwasher was working for some time and then they called back again and said that they're still having the same issue. We went back again and found that the water distributor was leaking too. So today I will show you how to replace this part. This part comes with a gasket and a clamp, and the part number is 00751950. This is the part number, and the model number on your dishwasher sometimes it's in this area, and sometimes it's located right here, so the model and serial number is right there. And in order to pull the dishwasher out, we have one screw on this side, one screw in here. We are going to pull these two screws out. They're both Phillips. I always use protection on the floor, some kind of sheet or anything, to make sure that I don't get the scratches on the floor. But this is not a hardwood floor. You can pull the dishwasher out without scratching anything. So I will pull the dishwasher out right now. Slides out smoothly. So the water distributor on this dishwasher is located right here. It's right there. When the dishwasher leaks, usually it's from that water valve. Over there on the side it's not looking okay, but I'm gonna fix that. The water distributor is right there. And in order to replace this, you may want to disconnect the wire. So we need this hook. So it's disconnected from here, and now I will go on another side. Before I go on another side, you can see this clamp right there, that little small clamp. You may want to use a needle nose plier to turn it. So now I have to go from another side. The first thing I'll do is I'll turn off the power here. This is the power cable. You can disconnect it from here. After that, I will remove the control board. Press a flat screwdriver, or you can take this top cover off first. This comes out. This little small tab, you may want to press it and pull the wire out. Try your best to hold it from this area, not pull it from the electrical wire. And there's two more cables at the back for the heater. This one This is going to be the most hardest one. I always pull the wires out if I'm not very careful with this. So this orange 3-wire is very important to pull out properly. I would say do not even try to pull it out, because if you pull it out this connector, you're gonna disconnect the wire, and you can see already it's pulled out a little bit. Take your wash motor out. There's that little small grommet holder that holds the motor in place. Disconnect that, pull your motor out. Make sure to use your shop vacuum before you pull this motor out, otherwise it's going to leak lots of water. So this is out, and so once the motor is out, then you can play around and pull this orange wire out with your needle nose plier, or with your flat screwdriver. Have a tiny small one and then pull it out that way. So now that's our water distributor. In order to pull the water distributor out, of course you're gonna disconnect the wire from the back, from other side, and then put your hand right here, and just pull it towards you. Here you go, it's out. And the gasket, you can see this sealed gasket. I have installed my gasket inside. You may want to make sure the gasket seats properly there, and then after that you can reinstall it back in. So the way you're installing it, if you look here, it has an opening. That opening goes at the bottom of the sump towards the front. I installed the original gasket on it because it was almost impossible to install the new gasket in here. It's good. And you may want to retighten this clamp a little bit, so that way it can go easily in here.
Thank you for watching this video until it is finished.
So the water distributor has been replaced today. It's also called a diverter valve, and hopefully they don't have any more problem. Everything seems okay. I also ran the dishwasher for a couple of minutes to make sure it's not leaking from anywhere. It's not leaking, everything seems okay. And this was the part for today I replaced. When you reinstall the dishwasher back in, you want to make sure that it aligns to the cabinet. That way customers are happy with the way you're working. And if you don't know how the dishwasher is supposed to look, you can always ask your customer that how do you want the dishwasher to look, or do you want the dishwasher to look straight to the cabinet, or you want it a little bit far. And you can always go with the original screws that holds the dishwasher in place up top. If you go with the original holes, then you don't have to do anything. Like it, you can always ask the customer if you want to do a little bit of adjustment on it, so that way the dishwasher will look perfectly aligned to the cabinet. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with others. You can always follow me on Facebook. It's called Hamid Appliances Repair. Thank you.